What's up, everybody? Check it out. First things first. We fixed the exhaust leak on the Suburban. Oh, yeah. She sounds good. Oh. All right, so you've probably seen the title of the video. Actually, you probably did. I don't even really know what I'm gonna talk about. Just kidding. You don't think I know what I'm gonna talk about? So check this out. So I know a lot of people, I do some things and then some people are like, oh, blah, 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 blah. You don't do that, blah, blah, blah. Well, anyways, so today we're gonna do a little talking about what I do on Facebook. So I do make a little bit of money off of Facebook. Oh, listen to that thing. Holy cow. That thing sounds, oh man, that thing sounds pretty good. It's got a little spot in the motor where it really sings the exhaust, so it might be loud in here, but so Facebook is a source of income for me. Now I don't know how many people think of Facebook and think, oh, I'm gonna make money off Facebook. Well, not very many people do, but I do. I make money off Facebook, and sometimes it's pretty good money. Now, obviously, if you get some videos that go viral, you can really do fairly decent on Facebook. But some of this social media stuff, they offer bonuses. You know, right now I'm making some money off of Reels, and then they have a performance-based program where I make money basically for just posting stuff. And so when you hear about, you know, people only care about doing things for likes and this and that, well, in a way it's kind of true. I mean, we get paid for interaction. So if you like our post, if you comment on our post, if we comment back and start a conversation with you and you comment back and, you know, it goes viral and a lot of people are commenting, you get bonuses off of that. So right now it's called a performance bonus, and I'm making money from Facebook from just posting pictures and having these people interact, and it's kind of wild. I'm not gonna lie. So I was going through some of my analytics last month, and it'll probably be a little bit more, but for the month of, well, for the whole year on YouTube, I think I made, I don't know, a little over $1,000. So it's really nothing great. It's nothing fancy just yet. I'm still really small when it comes to the YouTube world. But Facebook, I started last year in December of 21. No, 22. December of 22, I started posting stuff on Facebook. And I was only doing it to kind of help out the whole YouTube side of things, and to, you know, maybe divert people over to YouTube to watch my shit. But then I realized after posting some of these reels and a lot of this stuff is I can actually make money from Facebook. So I started posting reels and started getting views and started getting monetized, basically. And sure, if you're not doing much, it's not good money, and it's hard to get that. But I had a few good months. I was kind of invited into the Reels bonus program at the time, and then they canceled that, and now they do do like an ads on reels, and the ads on reels, it adds up. We'll just say that it adds up. So there were some months after the bonus program, I think some of the bonus program, I think my highest, I think I made like 500, then 900, then like another couple hundred. Anyways, that's actually pretty good for social media shit. So anyways, I started doing that, and like I said, quickly realized that I can make money off of Facebook. So then they canceled the kind of real bonus program, and then it was just making money off of, say, ads on reels. So all the reels I post, they run ads on them, and I get paid. And that actually turned out fairly good. Had a few reels do pretty good, and then I made money off of that. And again, a couple $500 months, a couple $100 months, several months at only like $30. So it fluctuates, right? But the real thing is now they've got another little bonus program where I'm actually getting paid for performance, and I think I will finish off the year with a little over $2,500 just for December. Just for December. That's wild. That's just crazy to me. It's crazy. I'm sorry. It's crazy to me because I've been putting a lot of time and effort into doing this, having fun. This Suburban right here is part of my social media presence, I guess. I don't know. It's kind of what I'm trying to do with YouTube. It's what I'm trying to do with, you know, making money. And it's starting to pay off. I'm kind of excited. So, for those of you who've been thinking of trying to get started with YouTube, trying to get started with Facebook, wanting to do something to make some extra cash, well, get started. That's a start. Facebook, Instagram. Now, I can't figure Instagram out. I cannot. I take that back. My lawn care stuff did pretty good on Instagram. I started a separate thing for that. But I haven't focused on Instagram. Maybe later, as I grow, I'll jump back on there. I still do a little bit here and there. But Facebook and YouTube are the main sources, I guess you could say, of income for my social media stuff. I don't know, I guess YouTube would be considered social media. You kind of had YouTube back in the day, and then social media came out. So I don't know, I guess YouTube is like the OG, but I don't know if I'd consider that necessarily social media versus just a video platform. I don't know, tell me in the comments. But anyways, have a good day. If you want to know anything else about the social media stuff, let me know. I'm no expert, but I'm learning. I'm trying. I'm doing the best I can. It's fun. It's definitely fun for me. It's fun. I got the Suburban. I got the Jeeps, the Blazer. It's all just fun. It's a business. I turned it into a business. Doing what I love, driving these things, turning it into a business. So, we're just out testing out the new exhaust. Because, like I said, I kind of fixed the exhaust leak on it. But anyways, go down, check out Amazon. Like I said, there's some other little avenues of income, I guess you could say it. Another source would be the Amazon links, the Bucked Up links, the Auxito lights. I do get commission off of Auxito when you buy stuff, so head down, check it out, buy you some LED bulbs, throw them in your car, or just go click on Amazon and buy whatever you've been thinking of buying off of Amazon. You'll still take you to your app, but if you click on my link below, it'll obviously just give me a little kickback. So it's not great, but everything adds up. I just want to go have fun and be able to continue to drive these things and buy more of them and maybe fix them up, throw some big ass tires on them, big old lift kits, but actually go drive them and not just have these pavement princesses. So Anyways, if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. Go find me on Facebook. Go check out, TikTok. I do TikTok. That's another source I'm going to try to get on. But anyways, have fun, smile, and enjoy life. Seriously, just enjoy it. It's so fun. I love life. Here, let's roll down the window. Let's hear this bad boy. Oh.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Wait.